Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your location in your Bumble account from your PC. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser and then go on and log into your Bumble profile from their Bumble web app, or the link from the web browser, right? So when you log in, that's your main page. When you reach there, you're going to click on your profile, so your profile picture or your username, right? So when that does, you're gonna go to the settings option right there. And now on this right side, you're gonna scroll down until you find this location right there. So if you click on this, what it does is the Bumble will ask you for your location. So just allow it and it will automatically detect your location and put it right here. Put it right there. So that's how you change your location. Let's say uh, you were living somewhere and now you are somewhere, so you need to change your location, and that's how we do it. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.